Adventures at Fish Rock. This is the clip that everyone has been talking about recently. It has gone viral around the world with over 25 million hits on Instagram and climbing. Contrary to popular belief, it's not uncommon for sharks to do this. We call it yawning when the shark does this, but we aren't quite sure of the reasoning behind it.
100 million sharks are killed by humans every year. Yet sharks are called the monsters because of human fear.
It's actually relatively common for a shark to yawn, but extremely rare for a shark to do it in somebody's face while they were videoing. To prove it's not uncommon, here's a clip that was filmed the following day with two sharks yawning in the one sequence.
If we all transcend, why can't we make amends so sharks can be our friends?